We're going to create a voice AI outbound calling agent using VAPI.ai. An outbound calling agent is one where the voice AI calls your phone or your client's phone, opposed to an inbound call where you're calling it. It's a fairly simple process to set up. We buy a phone number, or if you already have one, you can use that. We're going to create an assistant and give it prompt instructions to explain to it how to work and what information it needs to share or collect, and connect the assistant to the phone number, and you're good to go. All right, we're going to create an outbound calling assistant. This is an AI that will call you on your phone, as opposed to an inbound calling assistant, which is where you're calling it. These are used for things like confirming appointments and other things where you need to reach out to your existing customers. So we're going to start out by going to the assistants page, and we're going to create an assistant. Let me get this out of the way. And we're just going to start with a blank template. The examples here are mostly for inbound, so we're just going to start with something clean. We're going to call it Lucy at Doctor Teeth Dentistry. And we're going to create the assistant. All right, so we've got the name of the agent or the assistant up here. The first message for our call, I'm just going to pull it out of my text file here. So we're going to start off with an introduction message. So you want it to end with something that's going to have the person respond, which will then start the rest of the system prompt. So for the system prompt, we're going to use this rather large thing here that you can pull out of the description of this video. Then we're going to publish this, which will save this information, and do a quick test here just in the browser. We're not going to use our phone yet just because it's more expensive. So this cost for using it on the web is 7 cents a minute. If we do it over the phone, it goes up to 9 cents. These prices change depending on the options you have below, but for now we'll just do web, and we'll just do a test call real quick to see what it's like.
Hello, this is Lucy from Doctor Teeth Dentistry. I am confirming an appointment tomorrow. Is this a good time to talk?
No, it's not. Thanks. All right, so we just wanted to hear what that sounds like. The voice is okay. We want to go a little higher quality. So we're going to switch to the 11 Labs model, which typically has the best voices. Actually, I'm going to stick with Sarah because I think that has a good voice. And let's test it again.
Hello, this is Lucy from Doctor Teeth Dentistry. I am confirming an appointment tomorrow. Is this a good time to talk?
All right, so we're just going to stop that because we just wanted to see how the voice sounded. So let's try it on an actual phone call. So we'll go here to phone numbers. I've got a number already that I purchased previously. I'm going to put in my cell phone number using the international format. And for assistant, I'm going to pick Lucy at Doctor Teeth. And we're going to do an outbound call.
Hello, this is Lucy from Doctor Teeth Dentistry. I'm confirming. Is this a good time to talk?
Yes.
Great. Am I speaking with Bob Jones?
Yes.
Are you planning to arrive for your appointment tomorrow at 12 noon?
No, I'm not going to be able to make it until Friday at 1 p.m.
Thank you for letting us know. We have rescheduled your appointment for Friday at 1 p.m. Thank you and have a great day.
Thanks. And that's all there is to it.